Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another new episode of Weekly Quiz. So, first of all, we wish you a very happy Republic Day. This was the day when India's constitution came into effect for the first time in 1950. So, on the special occasion of Republic Day, we are back with our weekly quiz after ages. Okay, so let's start with the practice question of the previous weekly quiz, which was, in which year did our Honorable ex-Prime Minister of India, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee died in? So, here are the options. Option A, 2017, B, 2018, C, 2019, and D, 2020. The correct answer to this question is 2018, or option B. He left us on 16th of August in 2018. He served as Prime Minister of India thrice in history, in 1996, 1998 and 1999. Okay, so now let's start with our quiz. Okay, so our first question is at difficulty super easy. So almost all of you would be giving the correct answer for this question. And it is, when is Republic Day celebrated across India? So yeah, option A, 15 January, B, 26 January, C, 15 August, or D, 2nd of October. The correct answer to this question is 26 January, option B, which is today. Yeah, so 15 January celebrated as Indian Army Day. So you guys must be thinking that 15 August is celebrated as the Independence Day of India only, but it is not true. 15 August is celebrated as Independence Day of India as well as of countries like North Korea, South Korea, Republic of Congo, Bahrain and Liechtenstein. 2nd October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti across India. This day marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of India. Now the next question is gonna be super hard. So let's move on to it. Iron ore from Durg Bastar Chandrapur belt is exported to Japan and South Korea via which seaport? Your options are Murmagaon Port, Kolkata Port, Visakhapatnam Port or Mumbai Port. Yeah, so the correct answer to this question is Visakhapatnam Port, or option C. Iron ore from Maharashtra Goa belt is exported via Murmagaon Port, which is in Goa. So now let's move on to our somewhat easy question. Which is at the difficulty of hard level. So, which of these states was the largest producer of iron ore in the year 2016 to 2017? Your options are A, Jharkhand, B, Chhattisgarh, C, Odisha, or D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer to this question is Odisha, or option C. Yeah, Odisha was the largest producer of iron ore in the year 2016. Now let's move on to slightly normal question, which is, what is the full form of MBBS? Almost all of you would be knowing that. Your options are A, Masters of Medicine and Surgery, B, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, C, Master of Medicine and Master of Surgery, or D, Master of Business Administration. Your correct answer is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, which is option B. Now let's move on to somewhat easy question, which is, which of these metals is the best conductor of electricity in the world? Your options are A, silver, B, copper, C, aluminium, or D, gold. The correct answer is silver, or option A. You guys must be thinking the answer to this question as copper, as it is used frequently in wires, right? But the correct answer is silver. The best conductor of electricity is silver, followed by copper. Copper is used in electrical wires because it is less costly than silver. Okay, so ductility is the property of metals, which is their ability to be stretched into thin wires. Gold is the most ductile metal in the earth. There you go for a fun fact. It is interesting to note that a wire of about 2 km can be drawn from 1 gram of gold. Now let's move on to an impossible difficulty question, which is, which of these is an essential mineral for smelting iron ore in blast furnace? Option A, anthracite, B, limestone, C, lignite, or D, aluminium. The correct answer to this question is limestone, or option B. Yeah, so anthracite is the highest quality hard coal and lignite is low graded brown coal. Now let's move on to a normal difficulty question, which is, Which of these personalities was known as the Iron Man of India? Option A, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, or D. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The correct answer to this question is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, or option B. Lala Lajpat Rai was known as the Lion of Punjab. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the Missile Man of India. Now let's move on to a tricky difficulty question, which must be tricky for almost all of you. Okay, in which year the Constitution of India was adopted? Option A, 1949, B. 1950, C. 1951, D. 1947. The correct answer to this question is 1949. You guys must be thinking that it is 1950, but it is not correct. It was the year in which our constitution came into effect on 26th of January. Okay, 1947 was the year in which we got independence on 15th of August. Now let's move on to a little hard question, which is, in which year did Mahatma Gandhi publish his book Hind Swaraj? Option A, 1906, B. 1907, C. 1908, or is it D. 1909? The correct answer is 1909, or option D. Okay, now let's move on to another hard question, which is the last question of our quiz. When was the Pune Pact signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar? You have to tell the year. Your options are A. 1929, B. 1930, C. 1931, or is it D. 1932? So guys, the correct answer is option D. 1932. Let's know some more information about this pact. This pact gave the depressed classes, later known as scheduled caste or SCs, reserved seats in provincial and central legislative councils. So, there you go for the practice question of this weekly quiz, which is, who wrote the national song of India, Vande Mataram, for the first time in 1870s? Your options are A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, C. Natesa Sastry, या फिर D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Watch our next episode next Thursday for the answer to this question. Till then, be safe and dive in the ocean of knowledge. Thanks for watching and Happy Republic Day to all of you.